This is a quick tutorial on how to set up an interactive Google Slides. Step number 1, build a complete Google Slides presentation. Step number 2 is build hyperlinks within that presentation. There are 4 possible ways to make a hyperlink. You can right-click with the mouse and select link right here. You can use the shortcut keystrokes Control K. So I select this text and I would actually do Control K on my keyboard and I get the drop down menu for the link this way. Another way of building a link is click on the Insert menu and then Link. Here again, select your text, click on Insert, and click on Link here, and you get the drop down link. One final way is click the link symbol on the toolbar above. Here is the link symbol. Now, if you do not see the link symbol above, then you do not have anything selected on the Google Slides slide. So as you see here, there is no link symbol. As soon as I select the text box, the link symbol shows up. Be careful. If your insertion point is blinking within the box, when you insert a link, it's going to end up going between these two words. You want to be what I tell the students in my class, on the box. So if you see the insertion point, you want to click one additional time, and then the insertion point disappears and you have the whole box selected. Click on link. And then here's our drop down link. Now, hyperlinks can be linked to outside places, as in other websites or other Google documents or even a Word document. Be careful with going outside of Google though, because you don't know if your student has that software at their house. So if you try to keep everything Google, that'll be better for you. For interactive, we can also hyperlink within the actual presentation. We can even make an interactive hyperlink into another presentation, as you saw when you were going through my big lesson. Now, let's actually carry out these steps. So I'm going to go to slide 3 where I've built a question and I want the person that's taking this test question worksheet to click on the right triangle. So the right response right here is this green triangle. I'm going to right click on it one time, and I like using the link here when I right click, and I want to look at where I said yes, and this happens to be slide number 5. So I'm going to drop down and choose slide 5, yes. And then I want to make sure I say apply. I'm going to click on this triangle and right click, and I want to say no for it and apply. Click on this triangle, click on link, and say no for it. Now, how do I keep the kids from just being able to just click anywhere on the slide and they automatically get no? This is one advanced step that you're going to want to take the time to do. I want to actually select this text box and do a link back to this slide. That way, if they click on the text box, it's not going to go anywhere. And then the final step for setting up a hyperlink to make your Google Slides interactive is insert a shape. And the best shape to insert is a rectangle. You want to draw it across all your slide. Then go in and color it into a fancy color that you want to choose for your background. And I'm going to choose a lighter. And then I want to actually right click on it's on. And then lastly, I'm going to arrange it and order it to the back. Now, this actual shape here, once I build it the first time, can actually be copied and pasted to all your other slides to where you're not having to do those steps over and over again. And I simply just say edit, copy, come down here to slide 4, do my Control V or edit, paste, arrange, order it to the back, do my control V again, order it to the back, and then do my control V or edit paste and order it to the back. Now, some teachers say, well, this seems like it's a lot of work. You can actually duplicate your existing slide and then just change up the shapes on the slide. I hope this helps you with how to create an interactive Google Slides.